Hello everyone, I am MXZ from China. Thank you for watching the video. I will introduce the wood copy shaper machine, what products it can make, and how does it work. Let me show you. One button automatic start, very simple operation. This machine can make various bamboo and wood crafts, easily achieved by replacing cutters and molds. English operating system, so easy. Use diamond cutter, the processed product is very smooth. The material rack can be adjusted front and back, left and right, and the maximum processing diameter is 300 mm. By adjusting the screw, round products with different diameters can be processed. The machine uses high-speed servo motors, more precise. Please subscribe to our channel to know more. Thank you.